Alright, welcome to today's class. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so. Hit on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a video. So this is the section where the tutorials start getting interesting. I need you to take full attention and pay close attention to everything I'm going to do, because you never can tell how well this will be of benefit to you. So let's get started. So in our last class, we introduced ourselves to div tags. So I'm going to reuse pretty much more of div tags. So I need you to pay close attention to how I'm going to use that. So the first thing I want to do now is create a div tag. Okay. And this div tag, I'm going to give it a class name. I'll call it wrapper. Okay, good. So and inside this wrapper, I'm going to create another div tag in it. Okay, good. So I'll give it another class name. I'll call it nav1. Okay, I'll just copy and paste this. Copy and paste this. Now I'll call this nav2. Alright, so automatically this wrapper is the parent tag, is the parent div, and this wrapper, the class, has two children, which are nav1 and nav2. You can also say that, you can imagine it as you buying a land and you just erect two flats on the land. So the wrapper, you can imagine the wrapper to be the land, and on the land you have erected two flats. Now your flat can be 3 bedroom, can be 2 bedrooms. So that means inside the flat itself cannot have children of its own. That is the set rooms that you have, and the numbers of rooms that you have in your flat, it can vary depending on who is erecting the structure. All right, so this nav1, I want it to take up 3 children. I want it to have 3 children. So the first one, it's going to be I'm going to call it the um, okay, let me see, I'll call it the address. So let me give it a class name. I'm going to call it the address. Okay, don't let me call it, let me just use paragraph tag here. So I'll use paragraph tag here. Sorry about that. So use paragraph tag here, which is P, which is also close and open. I'll copy this in 3 places. Okay, so here I'm going to put my address, so which is 20. I'm just going to put any other address. Let's say 72B Abaron Road, and I have equal to Lagos. So I'm going to put that, and here I'm going to put like email. Okay, good. So here I'll put info at blah blah blah, the name of your so let me just use digital success reactor.com. okay, and here I'm going to put hotline, that is where hotline. So I'm going to use something like this, 234, in case someone from outside wants to get across to you. So I have hyphen 80 7, okay, blah 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 blah, hyphen blah blah blah. So you just put your number there. Okay, so That's the first flat. So that means in the first flat is a 3-bedroom flat. Okay, good. So that means this wrapper automatically becomes a grandparent because this wrapper gave birth to 2 children, which are nav1 and nav2. Now the first child has given birth to 3 other children. Okay, so automatically these what's it called, this wrapper, these are grandchildren to wrapper. Okay, something is missing here. Okay, let me quickly rectify it before it causes problem, because this div tag I haven't closed it. Okay, so this in the second child, I'm going to allow it to have 2 children. Okay, 2 children, and the first one is, I'm going to give it a class name. It's going to hold the container for logo. Okay, I'm going to copy this as well. So the second child will be the unordered list. And don't forget, we said in our previous lessons that unordered list must be used with lists. So I'm going to create those lists now. Okay, and followed by anchor tag. And we know our anchor tag is used to navigate within our website or web pages within our website, or also to navigate to an external website. All right, so an anchor tag usually comes with an attribute href. Okay, so but for now I don't want it to go anywhere, so I'm just going to put hashtag there. So because I don't want it to go anywhere, so I'm going to put home. Okay, so I'll just copy all of this. I'll copy this, paste. Okay, paste, paste, paste. Okay, so depending on what you want to do, so I'm going to have about. Okay, and here I'm going to have, let's say, services, and here I'm going to have, let's say, contacts. Okay, and here let's say I have no, let's make this contacts. Let's make this contacts, and let's make this gallery. So your gallery is one that will display the pictures of everything. Now you can create as many lists as you want depending on the kind of options that you're doing in your organization. Okay, so I've pretty much done this, so save your work. Okay, so and here there are 2 things I want to do in the logo section depending on what you want to do. All right, in my own case I'm just going to make use of a text. Okay, I'm going to make use of a text. So if you want to put, if you have a logo in terms of an MPG, you can just put it here. So don't forget that we said all our images will be in that img folder we created. So your img folder first, followed by the name of the logo, the name that you've given the logo, and the logo format. Please always ensure that your logo is in PNG. That is the standard and the acceptable format for logo. However, if you don't want to use logo, you can also use a text, which is what I will be using in this case. So I'm going to be using DXR. So if you want to use a logo, you can just cut this out and use the logo. Okay, so I'll comment the logo out because I will not be using image. Okay, but I will leave it there in case you want to use image in your own case. So Control S. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go back to my browser now and refresh my browser. Okay, so I don't have that yet in my browser, so I don't know why. So probably I didn't save, so I'm going to go back now and refresh. So it's there, you can see. So in our next class I'll move from here. Please, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.